In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Leadpages with your email marketing platform in just 5 minutes. This will help streamline your marketing efforts and ensure that your hard-earned leads are smoothly transferred to your email list. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Leadpages. Once you've found the official Leadpages website, go ahead and click on the correct link to get started. This will take you to the home page, where you'll need to log into your account. If you're greeted with an option to enter your email and password, do so with the credentials you use for Leadpages. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to the Integrations menu. This is typically located within your account settings or under the Account section. This area is where you can connect different services and sync them with Leadpages, an important step in linking your email marketing platform. Next, you need to obtain an API key or similar credentials from your email marketing service. To do this, navigate to the Settings or Developer area of your email service account. This might be in a section labeled API Keys or Developer Settings. Acquiring this key is crucial, as it's what allows Leadpages to securely connect to your email marketing platform, ensuring that everything works smoothly together. Once you have your API key in hand, return to Leadpages. Here, you'll paste that API key to complete the connection process. This is a vital step for integrating the email service, so double-check that the key is entered correctly, as even small errors can disrupt the connection. With the connection established, open the landing page or lead box you wish to connect to your email list using the Leadpages editor. This is where you'll set up your integration. When you're in the editor, hover over the form area and look for the option that says Edit Integrations and give it a click to open up the settings you'll be working with. In the Settings menu, move to the Integrations tab. Here, you'll see a list of services that can be integrated with your form. Select the email service you've just connected to Leadpages. It's a straightforward process, just a click, and you're nearly done. Now you'll need to decide where your leads will be directed once they've signed up. Choose the specific email list, tag, or campaign in your email marketing service that you want the new leads to fall under. This is an excellent way to ensure that your leads are organized right from the start. Once that decision is made, it's time to wrap things up by clicking Save and Close. After saving your settings, go ahead and publish your landing page or pop-up. This action will activate the integration, making sure that any new leads are automatically directed to your chosen email list. And there you have it. Your Leadpages account is now perfectly integrated with your email marketing platform, ready to help you grow your business efficiently.